So in this unit right now we're gonna be replacing the evaporator coil inside, but on the back we're gonna eliminate this valve because someone's been here before, and they added some freon, but the problem was still there. It was still leaking out, and we're probably gonna seal this unit back out because they put a valve on the high pressure too. And replace the filter, put the valve, clean the system, vacuum it, and replace the coil inside. This is the new evaporator coil. We put high pressure into the system, find out that the coil on the top have a leak. So what we're gonna do is just replace this coil for the new one. The bottom coil seems to be okay, so I just put everything back already. This Kitchenaid model. So we're gonna replace the evaporator coil right now. So I installed the coil inside already. I blocked this valve, installed new filter, put a valve like this one. So pretty much it's all welded from here. I just need to do a very good vacuum right now. And I'm ready to put it on vacuum.